Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this YouTube video. Today I want to show you how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking, purchase conversion tracking using a plugin. So this video is for people that your website is built with WordPress. If you are working on a project whereby your website is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you need to consult a developer to help you push a custom data layer code that will track purchase. Then you will use Google Tag Manager to track it. So that's that. But if your website is built with WordPress, this video is for you. So the first thing we need to do, this is a website. This is an e-commerce website. This website has different products. This website has different products so that we are selling. So we want to run Google Ads. If I run Google Ads, so I want to set up conversion tracking when people make purchase on this website. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Google Ads account. This is my Google Ads account. Log into the back end of your website also. Let's log in. So open those two platforms down. So the first thing you need to do, you come to your Google Ads account, go to Tools, and click on Conversion. When you come to Tools and Settings, you see Conversion here. Click on Conversion. Once you select Conversion under Tools and Settings, under Measurement rather, you see New Conversion Action. Click on New Conversion Action to create another conversion. So you see Start Tracking Conversion. You can track conversion on websites, apps, phone calls, if you are running phone call ads. And you can also import conversion from Google Analytics. For the sake of this video, we are tracking conversion on a website. So we'll click on websites. Then we'll pop in the domain name of this website. So let me put the domain name of this website here. Put the domain name and click on scan. So if you click on scan, you see create conversion action from web and app events. So you scroll down here, you won't work with this. Add conversion action, scroll down and click on add a conversion manually. So when you click on add conversion manually, you will see something like this. You see a page like this where you have goals and action optimization, conversion name, you see value. And so let me walk you through this. Goal and action conversion. Click on this drop down. You see purchase. You see add to cart, begin cart, subscribe. So that is under sales category. We are tracking purchase. So you click on purchase here. And once you come here, give your conversion a name. Let's say dummy purchase. Let's just give it dummy purchase. So you can see measure the impact of your advertising by giving a conversion a value. So let's just click on use same conversion value for each conversion and give it. You can work around the cost of your product. If the highest product on your platform is $20 and if the highest is $20 and the lowest is $10, you can put $20 or $10 there. It's your choice, but use the same value for each conversion. Use it, don't use different. And once you come to count, select every. It is recommended by Google, recommended for purchase because every purchase is a value. So every purchase is a value. So you see click through conversion window. If you come click the drop down, you see conversion can happen days after someone interacts with your ad. Select how much time after someone interacts with an ad you want to use as conversion count, used to count conversion. I just put this as 30 days. 30 days is reasonable. If you come to engage view conversion window, select how long to track conversion after a video engagement. So I put this to 3 days. And also view through conversion. Select the maximum time after a conversion after a person views your ad that you want to count, view through conversion, just put this as 1. Put this as 1. And attribution. So before we have last click attribution, we have different attribution model determines how much credit each ad interaction gets for your conversion. So for the sake of this video, use data driven. If you use last click gives credit to what to the last click before somebody make a purchase. Give credit for all conversion to the last click ad. So in some cases, some people can see your ad now and they won't make purchase. They see your ad, they clicked on your ad and they did not make purchase. They can come back later and type in your website into their Chrome browser directly and make the purchase at that time. So if you choose last click here, it means Google will credit the ad to direct because people typed in your website directly into their Chrome browser. So if you see first click, if you choose first click in this day, which is no longer available, first click will attribute the conversion to when the person first clicked on your ad through when the person first landed on your website through your ad. So for the sake of this video, I will leave this as data driven. So leave it as data driven and come to enhance conversion, turn this on. So that turn this on and tick this and leave it like that. Then you click on done. With that, we've been able to set up our conversion. Then what we need to do now is to click on save and continue. If you come to save and continue, the first thing you will see here is that you need to add tags for one conversion action. If you notice now, Google now has a global site tag, which is a universal site tag that needs to be on your website for all your tracking events to work. So we need to first do that. How can you do that? You go into your Google Analytics. You go into your Google Analytics. Go into the Google Analytics of your project or your website. This is the Google Analytics of this website. This my website. So this global site tag that Google is requesting for your conversion to be set up properly. So it will be gotten from your Google Analytics, and I will show you that in a minute. So we have 3 options to set up this purchase conversion tracking. We have set up with Google Tag. We have email instruction to your webmaster. You can send this to your web developer for them to set it up for you. And you can use Google Tag Manager. Like I said, you can use Google Tag Manager. So I'm going to walk you through set it up with a Google Tag. So, but for us to do this, we need to first set up the global site tag on our website. So if you come to this website now, let me open this website in a new tab. You will see that there's a tool developed by Google called Tag Assistant, Google Tag Assistant Legacy. Google Tag Assistant Legacy will help you determine all the tags that are on your website, that are working on your website. So if I click on this global site tag, just type Google Tag Assistant on your Chrome browser and click on add. Go Google Tag Assistant. Just go to Google Tag Assistant, Google Tag Assistant Legacy. It's a group, so you click on Google Tag Assistant, click on it. This is it here. Then you add it, and that's all. Then you add it, and that's all. So you add it to your laptop. So how can we check? So we want to check check all the tags that are on our website. Come here, click on it. Once you add it to your website and it is installed, click on it like this, just like the way you click on Facebook Pixel. If a Facebook Pixel helper is on, if Facebook Pixel is on your website, click on enabled and click on record. If you click on enabled and record, it will record all the global site tag, all the tags that are on your website. So what we need to do next is to go to our Google Analytics, come to admin here, click on admin. Once you click on admin, scroll down and go to data streams. You see data stream, come to your stream. This is the stream of our website. Click on it. Then scroll down and you see something like view tag instructions. It's already saying data is flowing. So let's click on some. In some cases, if your Google Analytics is not set up properly, it would show that the data is not flowing. So all you need to do is to copy this. You copy this, and that's what we want to put on our website. This is what Google is. This code is what Google is requesting for, that it needs to be on your website because they've scanned our website before. So how can we do this? That's what will take us to the back end of our website. Come to the back end of your website, go to plugins, click on add new plugin. Then you select, you type in HFCM. Just type in HFCM. So this is the code, this is the plugin by 99Robot that we want to use. So you click on install. You install the plugin. So you click on activate. So once you activate, it means you've been able to, you have been able to install the plugin successfully. So once you've been able to do that, the next thing you need to do is to go to installed plugins. Go to installed plugins to look for the plugins you installed. Come down, then you see this is the plugin we just installed. Header footer code manager. Go to general page. Come to general page here. Then you see something around here. This is your plugin. Scroll down to the left under Yoast, if you have Yoast, or just come down here under settings. Under settings here, you see the plugin HFCM. We just installed it. Then you click on it. This is it. Once you click on here, once you click on it here, come to add new. Once you click on add new, give your snippet a name because we want to add this code snippet on our website. So, and the instruction is below is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website immediately after the head element. So we'll give this a name. We'll give it global site tag. That's the name we'll give to it. So leave this as HTML, not CSS. Leave it as HTML. Leave this as site-wide. So leave this as it is. Do not exclude any page because the instruction is that it must be on every page on your website. So don't exclude any post too. The location, leave it as header. And device display, show on all device. Let it show on all device. And leave this status to active. So if we come to this website here, if we click on this now, if we cancel recording now, you will see that the tags we are seeing on our website. Can you see? This is the tags we are seeing on our website. This code. Let's look at the tag we want to install now. The global site tag we want to install now. The code is different from what we have currently on this website. So if you click on this, you will see that the GTS tag of this one ends with WWPK. If you come to this one, this doesn't end with WWPK. This ends with 35501. So that's why we need to install this one. So let's copy this and come to this place and paste it. Once you paste it, click on save. That's the first thing you need to do. So that's the first thing you need to do. So if you refresh this page again, you will see the let's see if our global site tag on this page is now working. So if you click on this drop down, can you see now WWPK? If you come to this list, WWPK. So that's the words. So that's the code now. So we've been able to set up the global site tag. So the next thing now is to now put the dummy, the purchase event snippet code on our website. So all you need to do now is to click on see event and see the code. You copy this code. So the instruction is the event snippet will work with Google tag, which the global site tag, which we've put on our website already to measure action that should be counted as conversion. So paste it in between the head and closing tags of the page you would like to track right after the Google tag. That is right after, can you see, right after, add this snippet to the page a customer reaches after completing a conversion. So where the customer reach when they want to complete a conversion on this my website? If you come to shop, so let's do it now. If you come to shop and let's click on this product, we are adding this product to cart, add this product to cart, view cart. Once you add view cart, then we'll click on proceed to checkout. So it is on this checkout page when people make payment on this my website and they pay with Stripe. This page it is on this checkout page that the purchase, this checkout, the website URL/checkout. That is where the purchase, that is where purchase is happening on my website, and that is where we'll track, and that is where we'll paste this code that is given to us by Google. So let's copy the code. Once you copy the code, come to your snippet, come to your HFCM again, come to HFCM and click on add new again. Once you click on add new, give it a name. The name should be event purchase tag. Just give it event purchase conversion or something, event tag. Just give it a naming convention that you know you understand. The snippet type should be HTML. Go to site display. So now it's not going to be on every page on your website. It will only be on the page that the conversion is happening. So what can you do? You click on this drop down and select specific pages. If you click on select specific pages, you will see page list here. If you see page list, click on this, you will see checkout. So that is where the purchase conversion is happening. Click on checkout and leave it. So location that you want to paste the code, leave it as header here, because the instruction is that you should be on head/closing of head. Then show on all devices. Let it show on all devices and let the status be active. Then copy the code and paste the code here. If you paste the code here, then click on save. With that, you have been able to successfully set the purchase conversion tracking, Google Ads purchase conversion tracking. So all you need to do now is to click on close here and click on done. Once you are done, this is inactive for now. It will take in the next 48 hours. So, but we can use our Google Tag Assistant to check if our purchase conversion that we set up is working perfectly. If you click on this drop down, you will see that you are not seeing any conversion tracking setup. You are only seeing Google Ads remarketing tag, global site tag we just set up, and another global site tag. That's what we are seeing. So let's refresh this website. If we refresh this website, let's go to home now. Let's go to home and refresh this website. If you refresh this website now, click on this website and let's click on record now. Click on let's click on this, go to shop, then let's go to add product to cart. Let's go to our checkout page now. If you go to your checkout page now, so because that is where the checkout page is, where the conversion is happening that we just set up. If you come to this place now and click on the Google Tag Assistant, can you see Google Ads conversion tracking? This is the Google Ads conversion tracking that we just set up. So the conversion tracking starts with 3395-35501. Let's go to our website and check the code that we just set up. Can you see now? 3395-3501. If we come back here, and click on that drop down again, you will see that the conversion tracking is ending with 5501, 5501, and 5501. So, and that's how you can set up Google Ads purchase conversion tracking. This is applicable to lead generation. If you want to set up lead generation on your website, you want to track lead on your website, you can also follow this process. I believe you've been able to gain value in my video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to subscribe right now. I drop insightful videos weekly on my YouTube channel that will help you to grow your small business online. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.